Yuhong tayo sa mga pinamili namin sa Seafood City. Okay, first, itong Jollibee na ito. Jollibee! I've been craving this for a long time. But ngayon lang kami nakapunta sa Seafood City kasi malayo talaga yung Seafood City dito sa amin. 45 minutes to 1 hour if it's traffic. So, tinatamadi ang asawa ko mag-drive doon. But today, I'm so happy. Pinagbigyan niya ako, nag-drive siya. So, we have 2 buckets. So, we have 8 plus 8, so 16 pieces. So, grabe guys, for 2 days na ito. Plus, we have family pack of spaghetti. And then we have gravy, 2 gravy. So lahat yan guys ay ano, oh my god, 49.99 cents dollars. So equivalent is, i-round ko na ito ng $50. So convert to peso is how much yung dollars ngayon? Sa Remitly kasi ay ano, $59 yung ano, yung $1 ay 59 pesos. So ito ay convert natin ay magkano? Magkano ba guys? Ay kayo na. Ang hirap. And then, mamaya na yan guys kasi hindi pa tayo tapos. So yan ang Jollibee natin. And then, look at this. Suman cassava. So I've been craving this too. I have suman cassava, suman latik. Wow, grabe. And then, kuchinta. Grabe guys, nag-crave talaga yung inday ninyo. Plus, bilo-bilo. What do you call? What is this? Obi roll. Shan favorite. And my favorite also. So that's it guys. And then, magkano ito ay 42.40 cents. So, 42 plus 50 equivalent 50 plus 42. Okay, oh my god, it's $92. Convert to peso, I think it's 5,000 plus. So ito yung nagastos natin today. We spent for almost $100 just for this one. But it's okay. Kasi hindi naman to everyday. Ngayon lang ito guys. Kasi nag-crave nga ito matagal na. So, yan lang guys. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo ang mga pinamili ko sa Seafood City. Bye-bye! Happy Monday, everyone!